Hey, so you've been dealing with iron in your water. It's causing the whites to come out orange or red, and you're sort of done with all that? Well, we can help you. Iron filters are a very popular product that is sold to people who live on well water. Sometimes even city water people who are getting water from their cities, sometimes that has iron in it. Basically, the water droplet has iron attached to it. And so what we want to do is get that out. There's a variety of different methods to be able to get that out, whether it's an iron filter, or if you use oxygen, hydrogen peroxide, or chlorine injection. In the Chicagoland area, the most popular product that we have to use is chlorine injection, or we have a PureClear system that does that. Why is PureClear so important? Because most people are dealing actually with a bacteria issue. Iron bacteria coats the water molecule and it feeds on the iron, causing the staining that a lot of people have. Also, they get a lot of bad odors as a result of it. So if you're looking to resolve that orange staining issue that you're having at your house, contact Angel Water. Visit us at the web at angelwater.com. We're happy to help you out. We look forward to serving you.